Welcome back to RevCheck, where we dive deep into the world of vehicles that redefine adventure. Today, we're going big massive. In fact, we're reviewing the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome, a beast of a machine that merges long-haul trucking power with luxurious living on wheels. If you've ever dreamed of taking the open road in something that's equal parts powerhouse and penthouse, buckle up because this rig is built to blow your mind. Asterisk, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome isn't just another luxury RV. It's based on the heavy-duty T680 chassis, the same one trusted by long-haul truckers across North America, that gives it a certain authority on the road something smaller RVs or even traditional Class A motorhomes can't quite compete with. From the outside, you immediately notice its imposing stance. The aerodynamic front profile hasn't changed much from the truck version, but the paint options and body customization make it feel more like a private tour bus than a commercial hauler. The LED lighting all around, the polished chrome accents, and the sculpted bodywork deliver a presence that demands attention, whether you're cruising down the interstate or parked up at a luxury RV resort. Asterisk, under the hood, the Kenworth is powered by a Packard MX-13 engine that delivers up to 510 horsepower and over 1,850 pounds-ft of torque. That means this motorhome doesn't just look like a beast, it drives like one too. Whether you're climbing the Rockies or hauling a trailer full of outdoor toys, there's no lack of performance here. The 12-speed automated transmission is surprisingly smooth for such a massive vehicle, making long-distance cruising both comfortable and efficient. You also get an optional auxiliary power unit APU, which is incredibly useful when you want to keep things powered without running the engine. The result is a vehicle that's rugged, capable, and surprisingly eco-conscious. Asterisk. Now, let's step inside because this is where the Kenworth Motorhome really separates itself from the rest of the RV crowd. The interior feels more like a luxury condo than a vehicle. We're talking real hardwood floors, leather seating, and customizable living layouts. Depending on the configuration you choose, you can get a full living room set up with recliners, a retractable 55-inch old TV, and a fireplace that actually adds some heat, not just aesthetics. The windows are massive, giving you panoramic views wherever you're parked. And with the dual-zone climate control, it's always the perfect temperature no matter what's happening outside. Asterisk, the kitchen is equally impressive. You get a full residential fridge, a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, and solid surface countertops that are both elegant and durable. Storage is plentiful, and everything feels thoughtfully laid out, no squeezing through tight spaces or fumbling with flimsy drawers. Kenworth has gone above and beyond to deliver a chef-worthy experience that doesn't feel compromised by the mobile environment. And let's not forget the pantry space, pull-out drawers, adjustable shelves, even wine storage if you're into that kind of travel luxury. Asterisk, the bedroom area is another standout feature. With a king-size bed is standard and the option for a smart adjustable mattress, sleeping in the Kenworth Motorhome is genuinely next level. There's mood lighting, built-in nightstands with wireless charging, and plenty of USB-C and AC outlets to keep all your gadgets topped up. If you've ever struggled with space in traditional RV bedrooms, this layout will feel like a revelation. There's a large wardrobe, a built-in dresser, and even a safe for valuables, a subtle but welcome addition. Asterisk, as for the bathroom, it's nothing short of impressive. A full glass shower enclosure with multiple shower heads, a skylight for natural lighting, and even heated flooring for those chilly mornings. The toilet is residential style with a powerful vacuum system, and the vanity is spacious enough for two people to get ready at once. Every inch of the bathroom screams refinement, which isn't something you often associate with life on the road. Asterisk, when it comes to tech, Kenworth has fully embraced the digital age. The motorhome features a centralized smart control panel touchscreen, an app integrated letting you manage lighting, climate, water tanks, generator, and even the leveling system from your phone. There's satellite internet capability, 5G readiness, and a state-of-the-art security system that includes perimeter cameras and motion detection. It's the kind of setup that gives you peace of mind whether you're off-grid in the mountains or parked at a busy festival. Asterisk, driving comfort also gets major upgrades in the 2025 model. The cab includes ultra-plush air ride seats, a digital dashboard with customizable gauge layouts, and a navigation system built specifically for large vehicles taking into account bridge heights, road grades, and weight restrictions. The adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision mitigation system make highway driving safer and less stressful. And with side view cameras replacing traditional mirrors, your blind spots are nearly eliminated. Asterisk, another major win is the storage capacity, both interior and exterior. You have full pass-through storage underneath, complete with pull-out trays and LED lighting, perfect for hauling everything from bikes to portable grills to full toolkits. Inside, nearly every space is utilized efficiently. Hidden compartments, overhead bins, underbed storage, it all adds up to a vehicle that's more than ready for long-term living or extended road trips. Asterisk, let's talk about energy. The Kenworth Motorhome offers a fully integrated solar power system with up to 2,000 watts of solar panels on the roof, backed by a massive lithium battery bank. It's not just a gimmick, this system is powerful enough to run most of your appliances without ever needing to plug in. For those who like boondocking or going off-grid, this is a game changer. There's also a 12 kilowatts diesel generator on board, should you need extra power for AC units or hydro devices. Asterisk, now all of this doesn't come cheap. Pricing for the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome starts around $550,000, and with full customization, luxury interior packages, and tech upgrades, it can climb past $750,000. But for that price, you're getting what's essentially a 5-star hotel that can haul its own weight across continents. It's not a vehicle for the casual camper. This is for serious road warriors, digital nomads, or retired adventurers who want the best of the best and don't want to compromise on comfort, power, or presence. Asterisk, fuel economy, as you might expect, isn't stellar, but for a vehicle of this size and class, it's surprisingly reasonable, thanks to the aerodynamic design and efficient engine tuning. You're looking at around 7 to 9 miles per gallon depending on how you drive and whether you're towing. It's no hybrid, but it's respectable given what you're working with, and the fuel tank is massive, allowing you to go for hundreds of miles without stopping. Asterisk, to wrap it up, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome isn't just an RV, it's a rolling fortress of comfort and capability. It blends the hardcore performance of a commercial-grade truck with the polish of a luxury apartment. Every detail, from the stitching in the seats to the stability of the suspension, has been carefully considered. It's not for everyone, but if you've got the budget and the vision to live life on the road without compromise, there are few motorhomes that even come close. Asterisk, that's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a RevCheck breakdown. Let us know in the comments what you think. Would you take this giant on the road, or is it too much machine for your travel plans? Until next time, safe travels and keep chasing the horizon. Asterisk.